Arnold World. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a wrap, and here are all of the ingredients I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using avocado, cheese, and vegetables, corn, and turkey. And also have ketchup, mayonnaise, and bread. Stay tuned and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started! This is gonna be so yummy, guys. This is gonna be awesome, guys. My favorite recipe to make. It's hard to open, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start with it. So you start by making a line in the middle. You put ketchup and mayo and then you mix it together. After spread the ketchup and mayo all over. Next ingredients, I'll start with my beef and put it on. I'm just gonna use my hands, guys, because it's easier for me. When you're done, put cheese on top of the beef. Next ingredients, avocado. I'm putting my corn and then my vegetable. Guys, this is gonna be so yummy. Now it's the time to make the magic. Look at this, guys. The next thing it's to put in the toaster. After that, it's gonna be so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. Here's a quick look. So we'll just wait for 3 minutes and then it's gonna be ready. I can't wait, guys. Oh my gosh, the recipe looks so good. So it's been 3 minutes and I'm just gonna take it out right now, guys. It looks so good, guys. Oh my god. Look at that. So I let it cool down for 1 minute, and guys, it's my first bite in 3, 2, 1, 0. This is so good. I'm definitely gonna make another one for myself. This is the end. I actually just made two. My mom had to help me because I got tired. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.